Natasha Antonioni with Austin Life, where we cover design, real estate, and all things Austin. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of 150 County Road 420. Come on in. This spectacular home was incredibly well built. And the reason I know that is because I sold this home to the current owner to turn it into a short-term rental. So this property is an income-producing property, but it can also be an amazing family home. What a fabulous kitchen with all this counter space and amazing storage, and a very Texas-sized pantry. And we have our primary bedroom on the main floor, which is such a nice treat. Let's go check it out. Look at the size of this primary bedroom, which has the pool outside the French doors and its own fireplace. Plus, we have this very oversized ensuite that is currently hosting an additional kids' bedroom, but it can be a proper closet. And then we have our his and hers sink, so each party has their own separate space. We like that. And just coming out of the primary, we have our powder room right here and our laundry room right next to the primary. And we turned the office into another bedroom, but of course it can be turned back into an office. Let's go check out the first bedroom in the front by the front door. I believe this used to be a dining room, but we turned it into a bedroom for short-term rental purposes. So we've added an additional bedroom to this house. This amazing bonus room is so great for hosting friends and family. However, if you wanted it to be turned back into your garage, this wall can come down and your garage doors are right behind it. We did that in case the next owner would want it to be a garage again. But I have to say, this house would make an incredible second home for hosting friends, family, and it has that added bonus of the short-term rental income. We built this additional bathroom, which has 2 toilets and 2 showers, to make sure that there was enough space for all the guests. This property would be an amazing second home for bringing the whole family together. And as I mentioned, it currently has that extra bonus of an added income if you wanted to keep it as a short-term rental. You really get an understanding of how grand this home really is. We do have a little secret bar that I'm going to show you after I show you the 2 bedrooms upstairs. Let's go take a peek at them. 2 really decently sized bedrooms with high ceilings, and they both have their own ensuite. The previous homeowner, she didn't spare any expense. She put so much detail and thought into this home. What a perfect little hidden bar area to entertain your guests. And we built this oversized deck to house this pool. And did I mention that we are on over 5.5 acres here in Spicewood? We have so many wonderful offerings right in the area, including the Stonehouse Vineyards, Hootie's, if you've heard of that bar, which is super famous. Did I mention that Willie Nelson lives out here? And we have Lake Cliff Golf Club right down the road. And of course, we have the Austin Lake as well. Well, I hope you liked this tour of Spicewood Lodge. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe below, because we have videos coming out often on Austin, design, and things to do around town. Well, we'll see you soon. Bye.